Alright, hello everyone. So, in the last lesson, we learned about the product rule. The product rule stated that the derivative with respect to x of x to the n power is equal to n x n minus 1. So, today we are going to learn the product rule. So, what the product rule is, it's the derivative with respect to x of f(x) times gx is equal to f prime of x times g of x plus g prime of x times f of x. So what? So when would you use this product rule? Well, you would use it in a case just like this, when you have two functions being multiplied. Now, you could multiply this out, FOIL it, and then take the derivative using the power rule, but using this product rule would make things a lot easier. So let's do that. So which one is your f and which one is your g? Well, it doesn't really matter since you're adding them. If this was the quotient rule, which we're going to learn in the next lesson, it would matter. But in this case, it doesn't. So let's just take the first one to be the f of x. This will be f of x. And this one will be our g of x, right? And what we're going to do, we want to know the derivative of this whole function. So h prime, that's what we're looking for. So what you're going to do, you could write h prime of x is equal to d over dx, because we're going to take the derivative of the first one, of x squared plus 3. So let's just put these in brackets. That way we don't lose track of what we're doing. Times x cubed plus x squared minus 1. And then we're adding the opposite, right? So plus now g prime, d over dx of x cubed plus x squared minus 1 times f of x, which is x squared plus 3. And now all you do is you take the derivatives of f prime, so of this one, and g prime, so that one. And so the derivative of the first one, f prime, would become, using the product rule, using the power rule, would become 2x plus 0 actually, times x cubed plus x squared minus 1. Then we are going to add now derivative of g prime. So again, using the power rule, it's going to become 3x squared plus 2x minus 0 times x squared plus 3. There we go. Now you're almost done. All you have to do is just FOIL it out and add like terms. So h prime of x is 2x times x cubed becomes 2x to the 4th, 2x times x squared plus 2x cubed, 2x minus 1 minus 2x, and 0 you don't have to do anything for it. And now we're going to do the second one, so it's going to be plus 3x squared plus x squared would be 3x to the 4th plus 3x cubed times 3, 9x squared plus 2x times x cubed, x squared is 2x cubed, and 2x times 3 is 6x. All right. Now all we have to do is add like terms. And yeah, 0, you don't have to do anything for it. So 2x to the fourth plus 3x to the fourth is 5x to the fourth. 2x cubed plus 2x cubed is 4x cubed. We have a 9x squared. And finally, we have 4x. Minus 2x plus 6s is 4x. And this is all h prime of x. And that is your final answer.